Working the PC of average size might be boring for some people. That's why they prefer to buy small PCs. The best mini PCs might be tiny in comparison to standard-sized rigs, but they pack enough power to do everything from web browsing, content creation, and gaming. Not only are these diminutive computers more convenient than enormous PC towers, but they're also super quiet. For some, they could be the perfect personal computer. Today, we will figure out which are the 5 best mini PCs that fits your requirements. But moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up if you liked our video. Also, don't forget to keep the bell on a ring to notify you on our future uploads. Design-wise, mini PCs range from smaller desktops to stick PCs you can slip into your pocket. Mini PCs leverage the small, energy-efficient components from laptops to provide you with a surprising amount of power in sizes that can be hidden behind a monitor. With mini PCs made for everything from media streaming to gaming and VR, there are mini stick PCs and mini desktops for almost everyone. Below, we've listed the best mini PCs for everything from home entertainment to gaming and professional workstations. Each review involves extensive testing and hands-on evaluation. This allows us to tell you exactly which are the best systems. We've put every mini PC on this list through its paces and have the top models you can get today. What are the best mini PCs? Overall, the best mini PC is the Apple Mac Mini, the late 2020 version of Apple's compact desktop computer. As one of the first Macs outfitted with Apple's M1 processor, it offers a lot of power at a more affordable price than ever before. If you want more power but prefer to stay on Mac OS, consider the Mac Studio. With a starting price of $1,999, it's not cheap, but it's one of the faster Macs on the market, especially if you pay the $4,000 starting price for a model with Apple's cutting-edge M1 Ultra chip. The Azulle Access4 is the best stick PC we've reviewed, with a pocketable design that can be used with any monitor or TV with an HDMI port. The gaming-oriented Intel Hades Canyon NUC proves that even AAA games in VR can be handled by a well-designed mini PC, while the Intel NUC 9 Pro delivers powerful workstation-grade capabilities in a deceptively small design. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B offers a bare-bones system that's perfect for tinkering and projects, and only costs $35. 1. Apple Mac Mini with M1. The latest version of the Apple Mac Mini may look unchanged from its predecessors, but there's a revolution hiding inside: the Apple M1 processor, Apple's first big step away from using Intel processors in Macs. The new chip offers a surprising amount of power, taking on more expensive Intel Core i3 and Core i5 systems and coming out the victor. Paired with Apple's macOS Big Sur and Rosetta 2, it will run pretty much anything you need it to, as long as it's not Windows. It's not a perfect desktop. A smaller port selection and support for only 2 displays is a real letdown, but the overall value you get in the Mac Mini is more than we ever expected for the new, more affordable price. 2. Apple Mac Studio. The Mac Studio can deliver more power than any Apple computer on the market, save the Mac Pro, and it packs it all into a quiet, well-designed chassis that looks good on a desk. As much as we love seeing Apple Silicon put to good use in MacBooks, where its power efficiency helps deliver some of the best battery life in the business, the Mac Studio with M1 Ultra proves that Apple's chips have the chops to compete with the best desktop PC silicon from Intel and AMD. Of course, since this is Apple we're talking about, you'll pay for the privilege. The Mac Studio's $1,999 starting price isn't too bad, but that gets you the entry-level model with the same M1 Max chip that's in the 2021 MacBook Pros. To get a Mac Studio with Apple's top-of-the-line M1 Ultra chip will cost you at least $4K. Although it's worth it if you want one of the fastest, most powerful Macs on the market. 3. Azulle Access4. The Azulle Access4 takes our favorite tiny stick PC and makes it even better. With a compact design that's almost small enough to put on a keychain and flexible enough to be used with any monitor or TV, the Access3 gets a faster processor, speedier USB 3.0 ports, and adds gigabit Ethernet for better performance and connectivity than any other stick PC we've reviewed. The zippy performance even supports 4K video output, making it great for streaming. Whether it's for use in your home theater, powering digital signage, or just giving you a way to watch Netflix on your hotel TV, the Access3 presses forward in a form factor that larger manufacturers have largely forgotten. The Azulle Access4 is our new favorite stick PC, and the best mini PC you can slip into your pocket. 4. Geekom Mini IT8. While this affordable mini PC packs an older 8th Gen Intel Coffee Lake CPU, it still has more than enough power for day-to-day tasks. From web browsing to word processing, the Mini IT8 is quite up to what most people need. The Geekom Mini IT8 is also VESA mountable, meaning that you can slap it on the back of your monitor for a clean desk. And while getting Windows 11 Pro pre-installed is awesome, our mind immediately begins to dream about what you can do with it if you turn this mini PC into, say, a streaming media hub or virtualization host for your home network. You can install Linux or whatever you want on the Mini IT8, making it a great mini PC for tinkerers and enthusiasts. 5. Intel Hades Canyon NUC. Intel's Hades Canyon NUC is a mini PC that delivers desktop gaming-grade performance and a chassis that's about the size of a book. Thanks to its Intel Core i7-8009G AMD Radeon RX Vega MGH hybrid chip, which combines processing and discrete graphics on a single chip, the Hades Canyon NUC can handle AAA games and VR in a small, black brick that can be tucked into a backpack or added to a home entertainment center. Despite its small size, the Hades Canyon NUC is loaded with ports, including Thunderbolt 3 ports and HDMI output. If you buy the bare bones kit, you'll need to provide memory and storage, and your own installation of Windows, but this pint-sized gaming machine can go toe-to-toe with an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti-powered gaming tower, and it even handles a bit of VR. It's the best mini PC you can get for gaming without compromise. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably also like our other videos. Also, leave a like and a comment, as that really helps us out. If you want us to make a video about the topics in which you are interested, write it in the comments. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. That's it for today. We'll be back soon with more exciting videos to help you learn more. For more fascinating videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button and share it with your buddies.
You